Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a little project using this Parrior glue gun. They sent it to me to do a review, and there are a couple of features that I really like about it. So I hope you like it. If so, there is a link in the description box below, and you can get 30% off at Amazon. But the first thing I like, it is cordless, and it is pretty compact. It comes with the little stand, the USB charger. It also comes with 10 glue sticks. But one of my favorite features is it has a 15-second warm-up. So you just hold the power button and it'll blink red until it's ready. I have been using it, so it probably won't even take it 15 seconds at this point. One of the things I really like is it has these LEDs at the nozzle, so it'll help to illuminate your project while you're working on it. Now, probably the thing that sets it apart from everything else is that it is motor driven. There's a little motor in here that advances your glue stick. What I like about that, you pull the trigger and it just advances the glue stick, and you don't have to keep pumping the trigger to make the glue stick move up. It is motor driven, and that is pretty awesome. You can see here, if I hold this button down, it just starts putting it out. It's a Lysol container, and then this is just paper-backed denim that I bought at Joann's. See, I just pulled the trigger and go down. I started voiceover here so that you didn't have to watch every little step, and I had cut the top of the denim so that it would wrap around the top better. Here I wanted to add grassy looking stuff, so use the big pipe cleaners I have. They are on my website. But look at this glue gun. You can just, I pull the trigger and just keep going around, and I can outline the entire flower. It's really cool. I mean, I like it. And then when you're done, the motor just pulls the glue stick back a little so that it doesn't drip. Now here I added the stem, and I put the glue on the stem and did not position it right, so I should have just started with putting it onto the container. But there was a little bit of glue left over on that spot I messed up, so I added a couple of leaves. The thing about this project is, in school I used to always make drawings of grass, flowers, they had leaves, and then sky, and we'll add sky to it in a little while. This glue gun, you look, I just pull the trigger once and it goes all the way around. And this is going to be used to cover the tabs on the inside, because you could really see them, and it looked a little better if I covered them up. And then I just added a little strip on the top for the blue, and then just did a little at a time. You could also bling this out. At the last one I did, I put a cross and some trim, bling trim. It looked real cute too. But it's a Lysol container. You can convert it and do all kinds of things. It could be a pencil holder. You could use it to be a trash can. You could even leave it in your car as a trash can. But the big thing here is the glue gun. I really do like it. It has some special features that others don't. And if you'd like to get one, check out the link in the description box for 30% off on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.